Hello. You do not see me right now. I know you do not see me right now. But you will be shocked where I am. So basically, I am Peter Parker. I'm Peter B. Parker. Long story. Stuck in New York instead of San Francisco. So, it's a pretty long story there, but I'll pop out on you in a moment. Hello. I popped out on you, but now I will go. So, we know Dr. Pigpen made the doohickey. So we have to stop him. But the only way we can stop him is if we create a team. So I want you out there, to join my team. So if you want to join my team, then put your comments below. It's not a force or your opinion. But still, if you want to join my team, join my team. I don't care if you don't. So, comment how's your day been. Mine been good. But I still got to get back to San Francisco, dude. It's going to be hard. So I need a team like you to help me. If you can help me, we'll be the great team. So, everyone, have a good day. This ain't the end. I want you to know, I want you to have a good day. So, more videos coming soon. More. This is just basically a full round. But shout out to my brothers, Quick Silver Eyes. Follow him on Twitch. And the Reaper Gaming on YouTube or Twitch. And Quick Silver Eyes on YouTube. So everybody, I want you to know, have a good day. Have a good day.